I believe that this is a question most suited for Abdurrahman, and it's submitted by Aisha Farouk. So the question reads: What are the key KPIs or metrics to track the success of an AI-powered fraud detection system? Here can also answer that question as well.
Obviously, we build systems, and being able to determine on how effective those systems are is obviously a key consideration. So when we build fraud detection systems, but performance means many things. So first off, looking at the accuracy of the model. So what we want to do is we want metrics. These are sort of usually what we look at when it comes to performance metrics, but it's also something that we align very closely with our clients. So certain clients will potentially rather target a false positive rate and say, I only want to look at X amount of investigations that I want to do.
Thank you, Garrett, for that.
Find us at Mosen.ai to join the journey and fight back now. With Focal by Mosen.